Hello guys, it's Glen from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize Google Docs as an alternative to your Office applications such as your Microsoft Office. So if you are looking for a free solution for Microsoft Office applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, then maybe I can convince you to use Google Docs instead. So first off, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the Google Docs or the document application. So I'm going to assume that you haven't tried this before. If you have, then this will be like a refresher course for you. If you are not, then this will be a great help for you if you're looking for a free solution. So when you want to use your Google Docs in your phone, you have to download the app. In your PC or your Mac, you don't have to download it. I have my Windows 10 PC right here. This is your Google Chrome browser, so I can search for something. By the way, this is the Sydney CBD Repair Center website. We repair iPhones, Androids, smartphones, and tablets. We even do repairs for smartwatches. So if you guys are around Sydney, we have the best technicians to repair those phones for you. And we have a lot of happy customers over the years, and this is our website. You can contact us through this information, 80114119. You can also send in your broken smartphones if you want to, if you can't go to Sydney. And so let's get on with it. This is your typical Google Chrome browser. You can also use Firefox or Opera or Safari. All you have to do is to go to Google docs.google.com/document, or you can just search for, if you don't want that, you can just search for Google Document and it will lead you to Docs, Google Document. Just go to Google Docs right there. So same procedure, you can either enter the URL or just search it to be more convenient. And first thing is, you can't use Google Docs if you haven't logged in your Gmail account. It's free, and you just have to make sure that you have internet and you have a browser and you have a computer to use this. So the basic stuff. And if you are right here, I can show you the parts of the interface. This is your search bar. You can search your document by title or content. You can do that. So if I say I have a document here with blogging, and show me results. And you have your template gallery. You can either start a new document with a blank template, or you can have these colorful templates that you can use. So you have free, you have like add-ons, you have to install it, but there are some already available and free templates for you. If you want to customize them, that is for free. This you can just hide it. If you don't want this, you just go to blank, create a blank document. This is your account logo. This is your Google Suite, Google services that you have. So you have your Gmail, Google Drive, Slides, and YouTube. Even YouTube, you can access this through this home button. The main menu. So the Google Docs is composed of many services or applications. The Google Docs, which is what we're talking about right now, Google Sheets, Slides, and Forms. So Google Docs is like your Microsoft Word, Sheets is your Excel, Slides is your PowerPoint, and Forms is a new service from Google that you can enter answers to prefabricated forms. We are going to talk about that, but for now we're gonna focus on docs first. And right here are your recent documents. So if you have made a lot of files before, it will appear here. You can show what's only shared by you or owned by anyone. You can own the files that you have owned by me. That means you own them. Not owned by me are just files that are shared to you. So maybe someone sent you a document and you want to collaborate on a single document, then it's technically not yours. So you can just have it shown. You can filter them or just owned by anyone, either you or some third-party users. So you can have this view. This is your grid view, and this is your list view. So if you want to see the owner, the last opened, and some options, this is actually more efficient. But if you want previews of the actual document, that you can have grid view, since it shows you the same thing in a different format, but also you get these preview of the document itself when you open it. So you don't have to open them one by one. So you have sort options. Then you have open file picker. Yeah, you can just have it open something from your Google Drive, shared with me, the things that people share to you. Since I have a lot of collaborators, we have a lot of folders here. Or maybe you can just do your work solo, so this is not really relevant to you. You can have starred if you're into that stuff, but we don't usually star our documents. These are recent, the last thing that you opened. And if you want to upload, actually you can upload a Microsoft Word file. It will just be converted to a Google Docs format. It will have changes on the layout inside the document, but it's really convenient to consolidate things that you have with Microsoft Word to Google Docs if you decide to just stick with Google Docs, so you don't lose the other if you decide to use both. And I'm gonna just show you real quick how to create a new document, start a new document from a blank. So you just have to click the blank icon, and this is how you create your document. So this is what you can see. The tools have advanced since the early days of Google Docs. You can see margins, you can see rulers, menu bars, your toolbar, and some sharing option, and you're ready to go. That's it. And if you want to go back to the home page, you can just go to Docs Home right here. And if you want to create a new document using a template, you can just choose a template and maybe, hey, I want to have a meeting notes. And you can see that this is really an advanced application. You can just simply edit this one. You don't have to start from scratch. You can actually use this every time you have a meeting, or it depends on your use case. And then you can just go back. It's that simple. If you want to save it, it's really saved. Actually, we didn't touch it. I just showed you how you can make a new document, and then it's saved here. So that's the Google Docs. If you haven't seen it before, if you are not familiar with it before, then I hope this video has been useful for you, and may you consider subscribing to Sydney CBD Repair Center. In our next episode, I'm going to show you how to actually work on a simple document using Google Docs, and I'll show you how it looks like on your mobile device. So, and stay up to us. You can subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, because I'm gonna make a series about Google Docs and both the mobile app and the web app. So till next time, guys, cheers.